Hello, and welcome to another chapter of Risk Management. Plan Risk Management. In this first module, we'll learn about the purpose and objectives of the Plan Risk Management process. The objectives of this process are to develop an overall risk management strategy for the project, to decide how risk management processes will be executed, and to integrate project risk management with all other project management activities. Now let's see what the purpose of the risk management plan is. The plan describes how the risk management processes should be conducted and how they relate to other project management processes. The plan can be adapted in subsequent stages as the needs of the project and its stakeholders become clearer or change. The plan describes the evaluation, allocation, and management of the part of the project budget which is specific to risk management activities in order to track, control, and defend the corresponding expenditures throughout the project. The plan specifies the project's risk management roles and responsibilities, and it also defines the principles for risk-related communication, which happens at two levels: A, within the project team, and B, between the project team and the other project stakeholders. The project team should carry out risk management processes in accordance with the descriptions of frequency, scope, structure, and content of meetings and reports given in this plan. The plan should also require communication between the project manager and stakeholders, which identifies changes in stakeholder risk attitudes and, wherever required, escalates risk-related information to management and other stakeholders. And finally, the plan specifies critical values and thresholds that serve as parameters for the tools and defines common terms used to describe the risks. It also establishes type and level of risk detail to be addressed and provides a template of risk register. Now let's look at the two categories of success criteria for risk management. First is project-related criteria. The risk management should present the objectives for the project-related criteria, like cost, time, and scope, to ensure consistency and agreement among stakeholders. This ascertains the success of project risk management. Second is process-related criteria. The measures for success in the project risk management process depend on factors like the inherent level of uncertainty of the project, the risk attitudes of both the organization and the stakeholders, including their tolerance for uncertainty, and the importance to them of achieving or missing specific project objectives, need to be analyzed for setting thresholds and providing weighting factors in the application of project risk management processes, because these attitudes influence the level of risk considered acceptable in a project. Thanks for reviewing the purpose and objectives of the risk management process. In the next module, we'll look at critical success factors. Goodbye.